Hello, everyone, and welcome to this 3M Labs product keynote. My name is Tyler. I am on the product team here at 3M Labs, and I'm really excited to have you here today, get a chance to chat about some of the exciting updates and developments that our team has been working on with respect to the 3M protocol and our communications client, Speak.3Z. Our team's been working really hard trying to listen to customer feedback in our community, as well as just pioneering a lot of these really novel developments, both at the 3M protocol level as well as at the application layer as well. And so we're excited to share some of these advancements and updates with you today. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right into talking about some of the updates and new improvements that we have at the 3M protocol layer. So when we kicked off the 3M protocol, one of the things that we really pioneered was this concept of a Web3 mobile number. We were the inventor of the Web3 mobile number. This is a patent pending on-chain communication identifier that bridges mobile communications between 5.5 billion mobile subscribers and this new secure communication environment. When we started, we were actually minting these communication identifiers on the Ethereum mainnet, which was great for getting started. We knew that was, kind of a natural first step, but we understood that this would prevent us from scaling. It would introduce some challenges and some friction, specifically with cost and other things. And so it was definitely a future consideration that we knew we were going to go multi-chain, and we were certainly going to support chains that would offer additional scalability. So one of the things that we've been looking at was introducing additional chains to be able to mint 3M shields, our Web3 mobile numbers, to be able to offer additional scalability, bring down costs, and really grow our user base. And so with that, the first announcement that we're very excited to share today with respect to the 3M protocol is that starting today, all Web3 mobile numbers that are minted on-chain will be minted on Base. And this is really exciting for a couple things. First of all, this is going to present a dramatically lower barrier to entry for new users that are minting their on-chain numbers. And it means that we're going to be able to scale in ways that are just not possible with Ethereum mainnet. So we're really excited. Base has been growing exponentially. It's got a ton of user adoption. And so for us, it checked a lot of boxes, both on the consumer adoption standpoint, the EVM compatibilities we mentioned, and also the fact that it's very cost effective and highly scalable. So that's one of the really exciting updates. So all users who are minting their shields moving forward, their Web3 mobile numbers will be on Base. And so I will note that this is a multi-chain future. All existing shields that are on Ethereum mainnet will continue to work exactly the way they are, buying, selling, all that kind of good stuff. So nothing's going to change there. But with that being said, mints on Base are now available. So one of the amazing other things about having Base support is that we will also be able to support base names. So as some of our existing users may know, one of the incredible things about the 3M protocol is that we're able to bring in Web3 communication benefits that you have, like ENS caller IDs, ENS messaging, and whatnot. And so as we have Base natively supported with the 3M protocol, we're also able to support base names. I think there's about 1 million base names that are registered right now, if I'm not mistaken. And so users who have a base name registered are actually able to start using that for messaging within the 3M ecosystem. They're able to use it for voice within the 3M ecosystem, and they're going to be able to use it for their outbound caller ID when calling existing phone numbers, which is really, really exciting. So I shared a little bit of alpha with you, but it is no surprise now that voice is now a part of the core 3M protocol. So we are looking to fundamentally disrupt traditional legacy telecommunications. Voice, SMS is going to be a thing of the past with 3M. And so we now have voice support natively in the 3M protocol. This means that we're able to support voice communications between mobile subscribers, so traditional phone numbers directly at the protocol level, in addition to on-chain users, so 3M to 3M. And as that continues to expand and grow, we'll be able to support additional Web3 voice as well. So that's really exciting because it means that communication clients that are built on top of the 3M protocol can begin adopting that, and all of the 3M clients that are supported, so right now that's our Speak.3Z clients, will be able to support voice starting today. So those are some of the really exciting updates and announcements that we have with respect to the 3M protocol. So with that, I'm going to transition to talk about some of the announcements and updates that we have with Speakeasy. The approach that we've taken at Threnum, for those that maybe aren't aware, is we're taking a hybrid approach. We're really developing a new telephony protocol where we are disrupting phone numbers, SMS, and voice, and sort of bridging users on chain with this new Web3 mobile number, secure communications with a protocol and a network that's distributed by users. There will be a wide range of communication apps that are built on top of this protocol, sort of like a hub and spoke style model, but we're really the ones pioneering the first application that's taking advantage of all the incredible benefits that the protocol layer can deliver. And so our first application is called Speakeasy. And we've been working on this to really bring out a lot of the benefits that protocol can bring. And so we've got some incredible updates with respect to the Speakeasy app client that we're excited to share today. So the first of those being that the Speakeasy web app is officially available for users to be able to access and use for messaging, for voice, and a few other benefits that I want to share as well. So when we initially rolled out Threnum and we had users being able to mint their Web3 number, we had a sort of a demo client that we were showing some of the functionality. We had a lot of users saying, we want a mobile first device. Understandably, though, there are some users who will want to sort of disconnect from the Apple and Android ecosystems. And so there's a lot of users who said, hey, look, we still really want to be able to manage things independently of those app stores. And so it was really important that we were able to deliver a app experience or a user experience that was going to deliver on that benefit. So with that, we were able to take the Speakeasy app and we were actually able to deliver it in a web experience. And so it means that users are going to be able to mint, self-custody, and use their Web3 mobile number directly from the Speakeasy web app. We have some other awesome benefits, including the fact that new users, when they're going and minting their Web3 mobile number, they'll actually be able to pick their area code. These are still +1 numbers, but they'll be able to pick the area code when they're choosing that. They're going to be able to receive voice calls, which is not something that we previously had with our outgoing Threnum messaging client. And the other incredible thing is that you'll be able to do device linking securely directly through the Speakeasy web app. So if you are a user who wants to mint a on-chain number, custody that with your wallet, but you still want to be able to use your mobile device for doing messaging, making calls, really using a mobile app for being able to replace your phone plan, which is what this is really intended on delivering. You're able to continue to use that because we understand that sort of the wallet experience in a mobile world is a little bit cumbersome. And so all of that device linking capability is directly available in the Speakeasy web app. So this is going to also replace our temporary onboarding linking app that was available for existing users. That has been replaced and is now all available in the Speakeasy web app. So that's one of the really exciting updates that we have. It's going to really simplify things, keep it all under the same client experience. Again, the protocol level, all of that is unchanged, but we're really delivering, again, these benefits and the customer experience through our app. And again, in the future, there's going to be a lot of other developers who are building their own apps and their own experiences on top of the Threnum protocol. And we're excited for when those days start to happen. So with that being said, those are a couple of the updates that we have with the Speakeasy desktop app. I did want to make another announcement with respect to the mobile app, and I alluded to this a little bit earlier. Now that voice is natively supported at the protocol, voice is going to be available in the iOS and Android app as well. So that will be available across all clients, including the web and iOS and mobile. That was previously only available for our OG internal testers. And so that is now going to be available for all users. So if you're not an OG holder, you will be able to start using your Speakeasy mobile app for doing voice as well. Those are the kind of the high level updates that we have in terms of the new releases, what is going to be available, what's out. I do want to share a little bit of alpha in terms of what's coming kind of down the pike, what's on the roadmap for in the future. I'm going to start by talking about a couple of the improvements that are going to be on the protocol level with Threnum. And then I'm going to talk about a couple of the updates that will be specifically for the Speakeasy app and client. So The big two updates and improvements that are coming to the 3 protocol, the first is going to be video support. So we want to have a robust communication protocol that can support video, voice, and messaging. We really want to have something that can rival, your Signal, your Telegram, your WhatsApps of the world, that gives a compelling reason and experience to ditch your legacy telephone plan. We're going to be delivering on those benefits for users, and that's going to be natively supported in the 3 protocol. That'll be something that comes out in 2025. The next really exciting thing is the tokenized network will be available in 2025 as well. So with the introduction of a tokenized network, we're going to have tokenized rewards for active users, for node relayers. So as we decentralize the protocol and it becomes a peer-to-peer communication network, node operators will be able to receive tokenized rewards for helping distribute the network, which is incredible as well. And in addition to that, there will be governance that's a part of ensuring that this becomes something that's actually ran and sort of governed by users, not just the 3 Labs team, which is really important. So that's coming in 2025. We're going to have more information about that coming soon, but we're very excited, and we're working with some partners on the tokenization side, and we can't wait to share that information with you coming soon. So that's what's coming down with respect to the 3 protocol. I did want to share a few updates with respect to the Speak.3Z client. The first thing with respect to mobile is data eSIMs are coming. We want to help you break up with your traditional phone plan and say hello to Web3 communications. We're offering secure communications with voice and messaging, but at the end of the day, we know that data is a requirement. So you're able to communicate anywhere you have Wi-Fi or data right now, and by offering a data eSIM, users will be able to fully break up with their existing mobile communications plan and have secure communications everywhere they go using Speak.3Z. That'll be somewhere early 2025, January, February timeframe. It's the expected timeframe there, and we're really excited about being able to roll that out. The other thing is we are in somewhat of an alpha phase as well for just functionality and feature sets with respect to Speak.3Z. As we're supporting multiple clients, we're in the process of ensuring that we've got a really great user experience. There are certainly things that we are aware of in terms of, little bugs and quirks and whatnot there, but there are a handful of user experience upgrades and improvements that we're making. A couple things that I want to note specifically are improved spam prevention in terms of message filtering, multiple inboxes, call filtering, a lot of the different benefits that we're able to deliver by having, this Web3 communications protocol. And so we're excited to be able to start actually delivering on that now that the protocol's getting to a mature enough place where we can begin to actually deliver that at the application layer. And there's going to be more things too that we'll be able to start talking about in the future. So that's everything for now. We are going to start sharing some demos of what is being released that we're talking about. So stay tuned to be able to see a demo of the new web application, some of the voice support from the mobile app. We're going to share those independently. We want to be able to keep this a little bit quick. We do have a Medium article linked with all of this as well if you want to go back and sort of reread what we have going on. I will have links to the Speak.3Z web app so that you can go check that out. That's going to be the place where you can actually go and get your shield. Right now, we've got onboarding through our web app, and then if you want to use the mobile app, you can link it. We currently do not have a way to onboard as a new user through the mobile app. That is coming. We are in internal testing for being able to purchase a Web3 number through the mobile app. So stay tuned for that. But with that being said, I'm going to link all of that down below. If you do have questions, feel free to either ping us on Twitter. I will have that down in the description. You can join us on Discord and chat with our team there. You can ping us on our app as well. We want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one. We really appreciate you tuning into our product keynote, and you guys have a great rest of your afternoon. Thank you so much.